Now we will discuss about the ways of pollination. We know what pollination is, so I'll again repeat. Pollination is a process in which the pollens are transferred from the anther, that is the male part of a flower, to the stigma, that is the female part of a flower. Now there are two ways how the process of pollination occurs. Agents, we know what are the agents. Agents include bee, air, water. They are all pollinating agents. Okay. Now, ways of pollination. There are two ways of pollination. One is cross pollination. Another one is self pollination. Now, please pay attention. First, I'll discuss about cross pollination. In case of cross pollination, there will be two plants. Now plants bear flowers, they bear a lot of flowers. What happens in cross pollination is the pollen from a flower of a plant is transferred to the stigma of a different flower of a different plant. Cross pollination is the transfer of pollen from the anther of one flower to the stigma of another flower on a different plant but of the same variety. For example, there are two apple plants. Now they bear flowers. You have all seen before fruits there are flowers grown in the tree. Now there are two separate apple flowers standing next to one another. Now, pollen from plant A will go to the stigma of plant B in the flower. That is cross pollination. Please look into the picture. This will clear your concept. In cross pollination, pollen from one flower of a plant is transferred to another flower of another plant but of the same variety. Now, if there is an apple tree and a mango tree standing close to each other, there will be no pollination taking place. Why? Because apple tree and mango tree are not of the same variety. But if there are two apple trees standing next to one another, pollination can occur. Which type of pollination? Cross pollination. I repeat, in cross pollination, pollens are transferred from the anther of one flower of a plant to the stigma of another flower of a different plant but of the same variety. Cross pollination occurs in apples, plums, and who helps in cross pollination? It is the bees. Another type of pollination is self pollination. When we are talking about the self-pollination, there is only one plant involved. In one plant, there are lots of flowers. Now, self-pollination takes place when pollen from the anther of a flower of a plant is deposited on the stigma of the same flower of the same plant or another flower of the same plant. Now, there are a lot of flowers in a plant. Okay. For example, a plant is having one flower. Now, that flower is a typical flower. What is a typical flower? A typical flower is a flower which has all the four holes: calyx, corolla, androecium, gynoecium. That is a bisexual flower. It is having both male and the female part. So pollination can occur in the same flower. That particular flower is having both male and the female part. Okay. Now what will happen? The pollen from the anther, that is the male part of a flower, can fall into the stigma of the same flower. That is self pollination. Or the pollen from the anther of a flower of a plant falls into the stigma of another flower but of the same plant. That is self pollination. So I repeat, in cross pollination there is always two plants involved, but of the same variety. In cross pollination, the pollen is transferred from the anther of one flower to the stigma of another flower on a different plant, but of the same variety. For example, in apples, plums, whereas in self-pollination there is only one plant involved. Okay, so in self-pollination this process may take place when pollens from anther is deposited on the stigma of the same flower or another flower but on the same plant. In cross-pollination there are two plants involved, very importantly of the same variety. In self-pollination there is only one plant involved. Okay. Now in case of self-pollination, they basically don't require the help of others. Let us have a quick review of the chapter. First point is, flower is the reproductive part of a flower. We also call flower as blossom. A typical flower has four main whorls or folds, namely calyx, corolla, androecium and gynoecium. Flowers having both male and female parts are called bisexual flower. Flower having either male or female part is called monosexual flower. Pollination is the transfer of pollen from anther to stigma through pollinating agents. Cross-pollination is the transfer of pollen from the anther of one flower to the stigma of another flower on a different plant but of the same variety. Self-pollination is the transfer of pollen from the anther, which is